Bullish Elrond cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $254.88 and $555.07 by 2030. Market experts accept Egld could reach $254.88 by 2025. Bearish Elrond market cost expectation for 2022 is $45.31. Elrond presentation. Numerous digital currency projects are using the advantages of the DeFi innovation to get the fate of their ventures and accomplish a full condition of organization versatility. Elrond is one of those conventions that is centered around building an imaginative blockchain foundation with a state sharding plan, a blockchain arrangement that permits hubs to some degree control the framework state, which helps fabricate the organization system. This organization has released another condition of advanced design and innovation. In any case, in this video, we'd introduce an outline of this Elrond biological system, its cost presentation since its creation, the group and values behind the capability of its organization, and our future cost forecast. With the erratic developments in the cryptographic money market, it'd be an extraordinary chance to understand what the exhibition of your venture would be with the guide of cutting-edge specialized examination apparatuses and forecast specialists. What is Elrond? Elrond Network, additionally alluded to as Egld, was established in 2017 in Romania by two programming designers Benjamin Mincu and Lucian Mincu. However, the mainnet took some time prior to sending off in July 2020 because of high objective turn of events. Egld is a blockchain framework that uses sharding for the purpose of expanding chain versatility and exchange speed while applying the security of the verification of stake agreement component. It has a most extreme stockpile of 31,415,926 Egld tokens, which is expanded yearly, however thusly diminishes the marking prizes in the organization. This will influence the rate at which expansion of the coin develops as it continually diminishes. However, the evidence of stake validators would act as one more method for exchange check on the convention. This blockchain has helped with the end of PC waste and protection of energy while focusing on their respectability through an exceptional component that permits the different handling of information exchanges in a similar block, which speeds up at a high rate. Elrond Center engineers accept that the Egld organization can deal with in excess of 15,000 exchanges each second at an expense of $0. This guarantee was demonstrated when Elrond arrived at 260,000 exchanges each second in a test climate with an excess of 1,000 hubs. This is a colossal accomplishment contrasted with the other blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Torrential Slide. The Elrond local token is utilized in marking, compensating validators, and installment of organization expenses. Furthermore, the simplicity of activity is to such an extent that Elrond can be run on PCs without the requirement for cutting-edge mining processors, which makes it novice-amicable and modest to make do. Elrond is the primary organization that permits the concurrent execution of the multitude of three qualities of sharding parts in their convention plan. Its focal center is network security, as enduring inside dangers and outside attacks was planned. Egld has extraordinary potential in light of its high-scale security framework plan. Borderless exchanges, execution of shrewd agreements, permissionless advanced economy, and energetic local area. Elrond Essential Examination. Elrond organization sent off their Mayar trade, a DeFi convention that gives a stage to clients to give liquidity to pools and furthermore buy Egld tokens straightforwardly from their application because of their organization with MoonPay. This cooperation gave Egld admittance to that biggest retail economy and furthermore helped the deluge of money to the convention as additional engineers and more people get segments of the token. The token got recorded on many significant stages like Binance, KuCoin, and OKEX. The organization keeps building broad measures to guarantee the legitimate dissemination of its foundation to additional people as its guide express. Egld is a considerable power in the security area of the digital money market. Elrond likewise banded together with Copper, a computerized guardianship supplier, and has put forth many attempts in the development of digital money training by subsidizing crypto foundations. Adaptability. Elrond's exceptional procedure and sharding process has given it a higher control over its rivals like Ziliqua. The convention attempts to keep a stockpile of Egld tokens that are utilized to stake on the organization during its most memorable year, with the validator hubs getting a 36% every year. The organization keeps introducing itself as a creative computerized economy for decentralized applications and business use, developing to make Egld a store of significant worth with an energetic environment, to guarantee a quicker pace of reception in the genuine and virtual world. The undertaking started to help designers making on their foundation and furthermore permitting them to procure more than 30% of the brilliant agreement charges as sovereignties. Elrond current cost. Elrond is as of now worth $56.64 USD. EGLD has moved 0.99% as of now with an exchanging volume of $45,793,487. Elrond is as of now positioned 41 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,338,014,622 USD. Elrond Value Forecast 2022. Elrond, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The EGLD cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $84.96. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $79.30 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. EGLD is supposed to have a base worth of $67.97. Elrond Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Elrond EGLD cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of EGLD will before long outperform $141.60. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the EGLD's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, EGLD will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $113.28 and a typical exchanging cost of $124.61. Elrond Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $198.24 and EGLD might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. EGLD is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $181.25 and a low of $169.92 in 2024. Elrond Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Elrond effectively helps market opinion among digital money aficionados, the EGLD coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, EGLD will be green in 2025. The EGLD is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $254.88, with a base cost of $226.56 and a typical cost of $237.89. Elrond Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the EGLD cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $294.53 by 2026, with a base cost of $283.20 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, EGLD has a most extreme value worth of $311.52. Elrond Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $351.17. In the event that EGLD figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $368.16.